are doing great. Myself, Dr. Rachna Shah. Today, let's grow and shine together with a beautiful smile on our face. Well, to preserve this beautiful smile, I think we cannot afford to make silly mistakes while brushing. At times, we don't even realize we are making it. So let's discuss this in detail. Using a wrong toothbrush. For instance, the head, it needs to be small so that it can reach all the surfaces of the teeth while brushing. Handle should be most comfortable, should not slip for making brushing easier. You need to use a soft bristle toothbrush so that it doesn't harm your teeth, thereby creating tooth sensitivity. To help you with this, ADA has given few specifications, which are this. Using a wrong toothpaste. For instance, for every specific problem you are suffering, there is a specific toothpaste. For example, if you have sensitive tooth, you need to use a desensitizing paste. If you have too many caries in your mouth, you need to use a fluoride toothpaste. Likewise, for sparking teeth, for gum diseases, a specific kind of toothpaste needs to be used. Brushing too hard or too soft. Brushing frequently. It's a myth that it is going to give you sparkling teeth. Brushing inadequately, like the kids, you need to follow 2-2-2 rule, as discussed earlier in my one of the rule. Not rinsing after brushing. Well, it is advised to rinse not immediately but rinse after brushing. Why not immediately? Because the paste will require time for its action. Skipping tongue cleaning. It will create halitosis. Not covering all the surfaces of the teeth while brushing. Wrong storage of your toothbrush. While you have to keep your toothbrush in an upright position and away from other toothbrushes. Also, you need to use a disinfecting solutions like hydrogen peroxide, antimicrobial mouthwashes, or baking soda to disinfect or kill the bacteria. You don't have to use too much of toothpaste. Just a pea-size amount is enough for better oral hygiene. Avoiding flossing. Well, it is mandatory to floss, especially when you have crowns, bridges, or implants in your mouth. Not replacing your toothbrush regularly. It is advisable to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or even sooner if the bristle gets frayed or discolored. Using a wrong brushing technique. Well, in a lot of patients you see tooth erosions, tooth wear because of using a wrong brushing technique. So I'll discuss this in another reel. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.